What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, my name's Sam Clark and this is One Life Cars, where I teach you how to fix your car. In today's video you join me from the inside of the Ford Focus Mark II, but the job we're doing isn't on the inside, it's under the bonnet, because today I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace the air filter. Dead simple job, but a dead common job. It's a part of a service, and if you guys are going to service your own car at home, which you should do, I do recommend it. This is part of it, so it's something that anyone can do on your driveway with a few basic tools. So get yourself your new air filter when you know it needs changing, and follow these simple instructions on how to change your air filter on the Ford Focus Mark II. Let's crack on. Right guys, got the bonnet open, and the first thing you got to do is look over to this big box here with a pipe coming off it to the right hand side of your engine bay. It's dead simple on this. First thing we're going to do is disconnect this pipe, but to be honest you don't have to disconnect this. I'm just going to leave it on because you don't need to. You can just lift the whole box up on the pipe. It's got enough flex in it. As you can see, there's loads of bolts, rusty ones in my case, around the outside of this box. There's a few of them all together, and those are little Torx heads, and you need a T25 Torx bit to get them out, which I've got on here. It's a T25, looks like that. And we're going to undo all those, work our way around the outside first, like so, until we can lift the box off and get to the air filter. Right, I've undone all the Torx bits around the outside and found out quite quickly that you do need to undo this pipe. It's just a flathead on a Jubilee clip, or you can use a socket as well around the outside, which is an 8mm, I think. Yeah, it looks like an 8, possibly a 6. No, I'm going with an 8. It's an 8. I'll just use a flathead screwdriver, they're not that tight, which reveals this bolt that's hidden underneath the pipe, so you will need to move the pipe. But anyway, I've undone all those. They don't actually pull all the way out. Once they've untightened, they sort of stay there. I think it's so you don't lose the screw. It's a good idea, really. And then this will pop off like so. You can put that somewhere safe. If it's got any crap in it or leaves in it, give it a clean, but this looks quite tidy actually. Revealing the air filter, which in this isn't too bad at all, he says. As you can see there, it's a bit dirty. That could probably do with a change, but to be honest with you, it's not too bad in general. I've seen a lot worse. And then straight away you want to give your airbox a good clean, or leaves and debris like this, you don't really want that in there. So give that a good hoover out. Easiest way is to stick a hoover air on the nozzle, give it a good clean, and at this point you're going to get your new air filter, which in this case is the same air filter I've just pulled out, but for the sake of the video. And it's going to go in with the rubber bit, this sort of edging foamy rubber bit sticking up. And place that back in the box like so. Make sure it's all in nice and neat around the edges, so when you put the lid on it makes a good seal. This also acts as like a gasket to make sure it's airtight, and the air just goes through that bit, which is what you want. Now you can sort of pull the pipe out of the way. I'll try and do this with one hand and film, and stick the lid back on. Just making sure it's sat on properly and secure to make a good seal. That looks all right. And then simply just a case of going round and screwing your bolts back down. You don't need to do them dead tight. Like I've got this on a little hand driver, and I'm literally just going to hand tighten them. You don't need to put them on a bar or a socket or anything. You don't need to worry about torquing them. It is just a plastic cover. As long as it's nipped up, it'll be fine. So anyway, I'll get all those tightened up when the box is lined up properly. It's not even on right. And then we'll get this pipe back on and tighten your Jubilee clip back up, and that's it. That's how to change your air filter, or remove and replace your air filter on the Ford Focus Mark II. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. That's how to remove and replace the air filter on the Ford Focus Mark II. If you've got any requests on tutorials or fuse locations, things like that on this car or any other on the channel, please let me know in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also guys, if you're new around here and you've not already, hit that subscribe button. that'll also enter you into a 2,000 subscriber giveaway, which is coming up soon. This could be a chance to win a gift card, something like that. I'm not sure on the exact prize yet, but we'll soon find out, hopefully. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. My name's Sam Clark, you're watching One Life Cars, and until next time, peace.